Ina kana hota tarkoto kwene na kohani Nadroga ranjing takione. Rawange ko tina bitim timira ko kwene na tulsa ngabul baba kana timira rawange ko to kwene rawange ko to ko Nadroga na buli baba raw ni hota ni ambak kwene na ambak ro ngabul ngina la tim. Valamina and welcome to Lawaqa Park. We are here on round 2 and also on round 2 of the Nadroga Rugby competition.
Which team do you support?
Seabreeze.
Why?
Because last week I missed the game and my boyfriend is playing today.
We have some exciting games that we have today. Senui against Busama Knights. It was a good game. A few developing players from Nadroga Rugby did play this morning, and also we have a nice turnout for the crowd as well on both the ground, round 1 and round 2.
Does it remind you of your playing days?
Hilang lima bukan.
Oh, ya kuang, boleh masuk tadi bah.
When the battery's finished, then we take this one, but this is the better camera.
It's good to see so many people, supporters, parents coming to watch their boys from different teams, and to get all the people today is such an awesome experience. And this weather as well. To come and watch these games in both the grounds at Lawaqa Ground 1 and